Good morning, friends. This is the Daily Morning Podcast. Today it is 13th of July. I am Devarsh from HDFC Securities. US stocks ended higher Friday with support attributed in part to the optimism over coronavirus treatment. Stock shook off pre-market weakness after Gilead said a new analysis of previously disclosed clinical trial data found its experimental therapy remdesivir can reduce the risk of mortality in COVID-19 patients. Technology-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index fared best and reached new record highs, thanks in part to strong gains from work-from-home shares such as Amazon.com, Apple, Facebook, and Netflix. The S&P 500 is up more than 40% from its March 23 bottom, thanks to in part to economic data that has pointed to revival in business activity in June. Overall profits of S&P 500 companies are expected to have fallen by more than 40% in the second quarter, which would be the biggest quarterly point decline since the financial crisis. As the COVID-19 cases rise and several states slow down or roll back or reopening measures, the economic recovery is likely to start losing some momentum. Back home, in corporate news, Avenue Supermarts, DMart, reported poor set of numbers, but the management has highlighted that the things have improved for the company over the past 3 months and the stores have opened have slowly seen recovery in sales to up to 80% of the pre-COVID levels. IRCTC and Econ have announced good quarterly set of numbers. Biocon got approval from DGCI, Drug Controller General of India, to use itolizumab on COVID-19 patients. Rosary Biotech IPO will open for subscription from today. Vodafone Idea has repaid 2,850 crores to its NCD holders on maturity. The payout was made to mutual fund scheme of Franklin Templeton, UTI and Nippon, which had an exposure. Asian shares are off to a firm start today. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka eased monetary policy. They cut interest rate by 100 basis points. Cumulatively, they have cut by 250 basis points this year, and it was the fourth time since March in a bid to boost growth. Friday, Indian markets ended down, though off the day's low. Technically, the trading ranges have narrowed, indicating a lack of strong buying at lower levels. The Nifty could attempt to target the 10,885, where the 200 DMA currently resides. On the downside, crucial support to watch out for resumption of weakness is at 10,676. That's all for the day. Thank you for listening in. For disclaimers, do visit our website www.hdfcsec.com. Have a profitable day ahead.